The solar system is a group of planets, asteroids, comets, and satellites which are around the principal star, the Sun.
The solar system was formed about 5 billion years ago, created by a contraction of a nebular cloud. The Sun and the planets were formed at the same time. This yellow star is the principal star in the solar system. It's the Sun, and all the planets of this system round around it. It supposes the 99.9% of the total mass of the solar system. It's of a medium size and age. It was formed 4,560,000 years ago. Its diameter is of 1,392,000 kilometers. Its core is composed of helium and hydrogen mainly, and its temperature is of 15 billion Celsius.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. The first 4 planets are the interior planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the other 4 the exterior planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Between the last of the interior planet, Mars, and the first of the gaseous planets, Jupiter, we find an asteroid belt. These asteroids spend between 3 to 6 years to circle the Sun. Mercury, the nearest planet to the Sun. It's at 0.39 astronomic units. It has a diameter of 4,879 kilometers. Its rotation period is of 58.6 days, and its orbital period is of 88 days.
Venus is the second nearest planet to the Sun, with 0.72 astronomic units. Its diameter is of 12,104 kilometers. The rotation period of Venus is of 243 days, and the orbital period of 225 days.
The Earth. Our planet is at 1 astronomic unit from the Sun. The diameter of the Earth is of 12,756 kilometers. It spends 1 day to round itself and 365 days to circle the Sun. The life in this planet appeared around 2 billion years ago.
Mars is the last of the interior planets. It's 1.52 astronomic units from the Sun. The diameter of this planet is 6,794 kilometers. Its rotation period is of 24.6 hours, and the orbital period is of 687 days.
Jupiter. It's the first exterior or gaseous planet. It's at 5.2 astronomic units from the Sun. It's the biggest planet of the solar system, with a diameter of 142,984 kilometers. It spends 10 hours to round itself, and 12 years to circle the Sun. It's also the planet of our system with the biggest number of known satellites. It has 63.
Saturn is 9.54 astronomic units from the Sun. It has a diameter of 120,536 kilometers. The orbital period of this planet is of 29.42 years, and the rotation period of this planet is 10 hours. It has rings.
Uranus is at 19.18 astronomic units from the Sun. The diameter is of 51,118 kilometers. The rotation period is of 17 hours, and the orbital period is of 83.75 years. It seems that its inside doesn't generate heat.
Neptune is 30.06 astronomic units from the Sun. The diameter is of 49,528 kilometers. The rotation period is of 18 hours, and the orbital period is of 16,300 72 years. The Moon is the satellite of the Earth and the fifth bigger satellite of the solar system. Its diameter is of 3,476 kilometers, and its average distance from the Earth is about 384,400 kilometers. It has a lot of craters. A comet is an easy small solar system body that, when passing close to the Sun, heats up and begins to out gas, displaying a visible atmosphere or coma, and sometimes also a tail. Some comets. Halley. It was discovered by Edmund Halley, the 17th of February of 1994. Halley-Bopp. It was discovered by Alan Halley and Thomas Bopp, the 23rd of July of 1995.